Hey guys! So today I would like to share with you how to store pastry cream, and in the process I would like to share with you some fun and exciting experiments that show some of the results. So pastry cream needs to be stored chilled in the fridge because it contains some of the ingredients that need to be refrigerated, such as milk and egg. They can grow bacteria pretty quickly in a room temperature because it contains so much nutrition and moistures. Typically you hear that pastry cream can be stored in the fridge for up to like 5 days or even like 7 days, but if you really care about the freshness and the best flavor, I recommend you to eat within at least few days. Or like most of the other creams, it tastes most spectacular when you eat within a day when it's just made. That I can say from my experience. Another thing is you can store pastry cream in a freezer. That is one of the questions I got really frequently in the past, and I myself wondered this when I just started. So today I'll actually freeze it, defrost it, and share the accurate result with you. Let's jump into the experiments. Right now it is completely defrosted in the fridge. Yeah, it's soft. Normal. Ideally, you can store in a Ziploc or something that's deep enough, and then press down the plastic wrap on top so that there's no gap between pastry cream and plastic wrap, and then close the lid. That's much better. So don't do this. Wait for it, wait for it. All right. And pay attention to the texture. Like this. You can see that it's not smooth. It's not smooth as it was before, but let's try to mix this pastry cream really fast with this spatula and if the texture is gonna change. Actually, it's not bad. Oh wow. It just got shiny again. Oh wow. Do you see how shiny that is? Look at that. It's shiny, like super shiny, like before it gets frozen. Let's try eating, and if it's really creamy. And I am surprised right now because when I tried last time it was not shiny, and I believe that is because when I tried last time I did not use hand blender in the end. Like recently I made a video about how to make pastry cream. I'll leave the link in the description below. Lately I like to use hand blender at the very end to really emulsify pastry cream, and it looks extra shiny, extra creamy. But when I froze the pastry cream last time and tested this a while ago, I think it was like a few years ago, it was very grainy. It was separated, and even if I tried to mix it again, I don't think it got the shiny, but now it's like really shiny. I'm so surprised. So I am pretty sure that this is because of the hand blender, because by using the hand blender at the very end, I think that pastry cream got super emulsified, and even if you freeze this, because it's so emulsified, it just goes back easier. I hope that makes sense. I think that's what's happening. I'm so surprised and I'm so glad I did this experiment. I was gonna say, now we know that, if you freeze, the pastry cream gets separated and not gonna go back to the same texture. But this time I was gonna try using a hand blender and try to emulsify and see what's gonna happen. And if it doesn't work, I was going to heat up again, mix, and see how that's gonna happen. But I didn't have to do that. Wow. Super creamy. Oh my god, it's super creamy. It is super creamy. Nobody will realize that this was frozen. You can freeze pastry cream from now on. Just use hand blender when you make pastry cream. Really, just that's it. It looks separated a little bit at the beginning, but if you mix really fast with a spatula, it goes back normal. It's so exciting. Please share this video with everyone so that people can know this. This is gonna be huge for pastry cream making. Because you know, pastry cream only can be stored in a fridge for only like 5 days. This is huge, guys. This is huge. And it tastes amazing. This is why I love experiments so much. You know, you never know what's gonna happen. If you guys tried it at home and see the same result, if it stays shiny and creamy, please let me know. Please leave a comment on the section below. And I think that means official. Let me know if you like this type of video. I personally really like to experiment, compare, and find out the answers for pastry mysteries. And let me know if you have any pastry experiments that you want me to try. If you like to learn how to make super smooth, rich, and shiny pastry cream step by step, watch this video after this one to really get deeper and understand about pastry cream in another level. So, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!